am Love is made with 5 natural oils: rose oil, argan oil, hemp oil, olive oil, and ylang ylang oil. These 5 oils, both collectively and individually, hydrate, protect, and illuminate the skin. Generally, the way that I would apply I Am Love is as the last step of your skincare routine. And so it could be just I Am Love on its own, in which case you just apply it after you wash your face, or it can be applied over your rose water, over your serum, over your moisturizer. It's essentially going to take your moisturizer and give it super duper powers. So after you apply your moisturizer, this oil will help to lock everything in, create a barrier, and of course illuminate the skin and give you that extra glowy, dewy effect.